Okay, so this is to factory reset a Canon printer I-Sensys MF269DW. Basically, you haven't got the admin pin. For instance, you try to change the network settings and you don't have the admin pin. To reset it to factory setting, what you need to do is you push on this, then 2, then 8, then this again. You go into copier, function, clear, all apply, press start, that's this button. All data clear, okay, rebooting. And that's it. The admin pin number has been cleared. You're good to go. And actually, if you want to really reset everything, you can go into menu, third page, system management settings, initialize all data. I'm not going to do it because then you need to set again everything, time, day. But if you click on that, you'll have to reselect the language and so on. Anyway, that's it. So if you were like me, stuck and you forgot the pin admin number, that's how you clear it. And you can go back to the menu if you want to set it up again. I forgot where it is. But anyway, you can do whatever you want now. System management information, where is it? It's somewhere there. Never mind. That's it, system management pin. You want to set a new one? Go for it. Let me do that now. And confirm. So normally, go back there, network setting, is asking me for my pin number that I've just selected. That's it, all done. Good luck. So that was for Canon I-Sensys MF269DW. Thank you. Bye.